I'm Johnny from Open Studio Patterns. We get a lot of questions about how to print large format sewing patterns. I'm going to show you how to send our files to a professional printer who can do it for you. You see me here going through all the files that come with our package. We send two sizes for large format printing. One is 33 inches wide, and that's one continuous sheet of paper, and the other is AO. AO size is 33.1 inches by 46.8 inches. You can open the file in any PDF program you prefer, but I'm going to use Adobe Acrobat to show you what the file looks like when I open it. And you see all the sizes opened here in layers. I'm going to zoom in and I'm going to show you all the lines that indicate the sizes. Adobe Reader isn't necessarily showing you that this is 2 pages, it kind of just skips to the next page as you're scrolling down. But because this pattern file is longer than 46.8 inches, all of the patterns will be split up into 2 pages. If you have access to Adobe Acrobat and are able to edit layers, I'm going to show you how to save the file with only the sizes you want printed. If not, skip to minute 111 if you're working with a PDF program that won't allow you to edit the file. I'm clicking off all the sizes that I don't want to print. I'm just going to leave the small and the medium because I want to be able to grade between 2 sizes, which I'll show you later in the video why that's helpful. The second step is to right-click on all the layers that you unchecked and change the default setting to off. Click OK. Continue this step on all the remaining layers you do not want to show up in your final file. Now we're going to save this file. I like to keep the original file in its original state and rename this edited one. You see me here just changing the sizes that are described in the title to small and medium. Now you can check your work and verify that only the layers you would like printed appear. If you're working with a PDF program that will not allow you to edit the layers, you will send either the 33-inch wide or the AO file to the large format printer. I'm going to demonstrate this process by using Bolt Fabric Boutique's printing service. Link to their site is in the description area of this video. Click on PDF pattern printing in their navigation. Look for the information for help determining how many pages you'll be printing. If you're uploading the 33-inch wide file, you'll need to know the length of the file. Info is at the top of the file page. The gable shirred file that we're uploading is 89 inches long. They regard a single page as 36 inches by 48 inches and give further guidance about files longer than that. You'll start by uploading the file you want printed. I'll first choose the 33-inch wide size, and since we know the page is 89 inches long, we'll choose 2 pages. But don't worry, the file will still print in one continuous page. A lot of sewists like to order more than one pattern at a time to make up for the shipping cost, so you can just keep uploading files and adding to cart as necessary. Next, I'll show you how I order the AO size file, which is really simple. There are 2 pages in the file, so it's pretty straightforward when it comes to selecting the quantity of pages. Once you do that, add it to cart, and now you'll see both of the pattern files in my cart. Shipping ended up being about $8.50 for both of these patterns, so my total cost was $18.50. Both sizes were delivered to my door and they came folded and packaged nicely. One thing I really appreciated about Bolt was they noticed that I uploaded the same pattern twice. They refunded me for one of them and sent me a message. And I told them I actually meant to do this, and I was working on this post about printing large format patterns. They were so great and just sent me both sizes. Here I am showing you the 33-inch wide pattern is in 1 sheet, and the AO pattern comes in 2 sheets. Next, I'll show you how to grade between sizes if you printed more than one. I like the size small at the hip, but the size of the bust in the medium. I'll use a curved ruler to blend between the 2. All the lines can get a little confusing, so I'm just highlighting the lines I need to cut so I don't get confused. If I use the size medium bust, that means the armhole will fit the size medium sleeve. So same thing here, I'm just going to highlight the lines that I want to cut. Also make sure to use the size medium for the neck binding and the sleeve cuff. Now you have to do the same thing on the back that you did on the front side seam. The most accurate and simple way is to just use the front bodice that's already been adjusted to adjust the back side seam. I'm going to mark it with my pencil and go over it with a highlighter so I know which line to cut. Hopefully this video helps answer any questions you may have about printing digital sewing patterns in large format. Look out for our other video about printing patterns on your home printer. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.